The Kadamba Transport Corporation earns revenue in lakhs of rupees from various facilities such as shops which are rented out at the Kadamba Panjim Bus stand. However, the state's premier bus stand in the capital city lies in a pathetic state. Here's why.
We have now through Goacan with various departments, we have conducted a series of inspections here. All the reports of these inspections have been given to Transport Department through the Kadamba Transport Corporation. After consistent campaign demanding for the changing of the shades, finally Director of Transport has informed that about 65 lakhs tender has been issued for the repairs. Now the problem is, this is one part, only just one part of the problem. Major problem which is still there is about the zebra crossing. So as long as this illegal restaurant is there, they cannot do the zebra crossing. Because the zebra crossing, if it's done, it comes directly, it is on the way of the zebra crossing. Now you see, I am standing at a board here which says, pedestrian walking way, do not alight and all these things. Now you see, how will anybody walk beside? Because there is no direction. You have to, what do you say, play the guessing game. Which side the bus is going to come, which side the bus will stop, may stop, and therefore you cannot have a safe journey in the evening. So one very important point I think here is, there should be an appointment of a bus stand manager who will take charge of everything that is going on here. So the maintenance, the cleanliness of the bus stand, the checking of the public toilets, the functioning of the pay parking arrangement here, the abandoned vehicles. Now just now I have written in the complaint book. Now in the complaint book also you see, the complaint book is still going on from 2021. There are no page numbers on the complaint book. There is nobody checking the complaint and writing what action is being taken. So the point we would like to highlight here is that there is lack of confidence that this bus stand is being taken care of. Okay? The most important thing for the consumer who visits this bus stand, he has to get a feeling that there is some nodal officer who will listen to his grievance. Yeah, if you read the complaints, they are shocking. Some of the complaints, I was just reading now. So the point is, are these complaints being analyzed and come to some understanding? Now abandoned rickshaws, abandoned four-wheeler vehicles, two-wheelers, outside number plate vehicles are lying here for days together. So the key point here is that Kadamba Transport Corporation is earning huge revenues from this bus stand through the rent of the shops, through the toll that is being collected. Pay parking is there. Nobody is doing anything free. Everybody is paying. Just now I have come to see the condition of the disabled parking. It's occupied by a non-disabled person, tourist taxi. The condition of the wheelchair is pathetic. All paint has fallen on it, dusty, dirty. Nobody will want to use that wheelchair. So the net result is, there is this fear that the least time I spend in the bus stand is better because it is not safe.
Sagun Gaude, Prasad Polji for Herald TV.